Dell's laptop lineup offers options for every computing need, from a kid tackling schoolwork to an engineer designing a plane. In fact, there's a good chance a school or workplace issued you a Dell at some point, thanks to the company's reputation for reliable performance, durable builds, and affordability. To pick one for yourself, list how you plan to use it, your budget, and your must-have features, and we'll help you find one that checks all the boxes. Are you a casual user, a student, a content creator, a gaming enthusiast, or all of the above? This guide will help you check off your must-have features and pick from the best Dell laptops. Number 1. Dell Inspiron 14 2-in-1 Laptop. Sometimes flexibility is what makes a device, and that includes the Dell Inspiron 14 2-in-1 Laptop. Students can use this hybrid machine as a traditional laptop, comfortably typing out long papers, and then set up as a tent for movie watching to decompress. Scribblers and doodlers can purchase a compatible stylus to use as a tablet thanks to its 360-degree hinges. For about $1,000, it includes the latest generation Intel i7 processor and 16 GB of RAM, showcasing enough power to be one of Popsi's best laptops for college and for working from home. It's suitable for video conferencing and chatting with 2 mics, a 1080p webcam, and Dolby Atmos speakers, though don't expect soundbar-level performance. The full high-definition plus screen has a good resolution, but at only 250 nits, it isn't as bright as others and could be challenging in very sunny rooms. If you burn through the 2-inch one's advertised 11 hours of battery life, it has an express charge feature that will help you reach up to 80% power within an hour. It's also a PEAT Silver registered and Energy Star rated and ships in 100% sustainable materials. Number 2. Alienware M18 AMD Gaming Laptop. The Alienware M18 AMD Gaming Laptop is a beast in size and power and the top of the line of Dell's gaming laptops. It offers many different configurations aimed at gaming enthusiasts with the cash to throw into the finer details to ensure blistering speeds and an immersive experience. The base model starts under $2,000, reasonable for a gaming laptop, but quickly climbs as you tack on upgrades to tackle AAA gaming. The entry model weighs 8.5 pounds and goes up from there depending on screen options, either 165Hz or 480Hz refresh rates, and processors. We opted for mid-range specs, 32 GB of RAM, an AMD Ryzen 9 7845HK processor, and a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 graphics card, and hit $3,000 and a weight of over 9 pounds. Part of the weight is the Cryotech cooling system on the CPU and GPU, plus 4 fans and a vapor chamber to pull heat away from sensitive components. Technically, this machine is a laptop, but it's clearly aimed at replacing gaming PCs with a smaller format. Number 3. Dell G15 5530 Gaming Laptop. If the Alienware M18 is too much gaming laptop, take a look at the Dell G15 5530 Gaming Laptop, which liberally borrows from its subsidiary's design but has a price tag of around $1,300. The G15 is better than entry-level, capable of handling AAA gaming thanks to the latest Intel i7 processor, a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card, and a full high-definition screen with a 165Hz refresh rate. Unlike the sleek wedges that dominate laptop shapes, the G15 is a blocky, gray laptop with weird angles around the hinges, what Dell calls a retro design, but we call potentially laptop bag unfriendly. It also weighs more than 6 pounds, thanks to an Alienware-inspired cooling system with ultra-thin fan blades, 4 heat pipes, and vents all over the place. It also has a 720 webcam, which is only may if you plan on live streaming. Number 4. Dell Inspiron 15 3530 Laptop. At under $700, the Dell Inspiron 15 3530 laptop offers a solid computing choice without making as many compromises as a sub-$500 device, though there are models below that price threshold that still perform admirably. It features a 15.6-inch high-definition screen and a roomy keyboard with a numerical keypad. That's spacious for a laptop that weighs less than 4 pounds. The webcam is the better 1080p, and it sports 2 microphones for better video chat sound. It also features the most recent generation of an Intel i5 processor, though it sports fewer cores than the i7. While it's a plain Jane in the laptop world, it still has ample power for multitasking and most everyday computing tasks. Number 5. Dell Latitude 15.6 inches Laptop. Despite how powerful gaming laptops can be, they aren't necessarily the best for working at home. Consider a productivity-focused machine like the Dell Latitude 15.6 inches laptop. For about $1,200, you can get an Intel i7 processor and 16 GB of system memory to crunch through databases, code, or designs. The latest model has larger fans for better heat dispersal. Dell also packs more security and privacy features, like fingerprint readers and onlooker detection to alert you when someone's peeping at your screen, and a sign-in feature that detects your presence and locks the laptop when you leave it. It also has a wide range of ports, from the latest generation of USB-C with display protocols to older USB-A, which many of your older peripherals use. For improved video conferencing, the latest Latitude models include Wi-Fi 6E and 5G connections for speed and a 1080p webcam with light sensors to enhance the picture and audio tools that help remove background noise and reduce echoes. And while the Latitude is just another average-looking laptop, it passes military standards for durability, so it should safely make it from home to the coffee shop and back again.